The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 are undoubtedly some of the most anticipated foldables of this year. But as of 2023, the competition has significantly increased. Motorola has updated its foldable approach with the new 2023 Razr and Razr Plus smartphones. Google has introduced its own foldable known as the Pixel Fold, and even OnePlus plans to debut its own foldable later this year. Not to mention that Oppo's Find N2 Flip poses a serious threat to Samsung. So what can we expect from Samsung's new line of foldable this summer? In what ways does it differ from its rivals? Here are the 4 significant improvements that will make the ZFlip5 one of the top flip smartphones of 2023. Samsung's Z Flip series of foldable devices haven't seen a major revamp since the first iteration, but now this is changing with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. According to a report by Ross Young, Samsung is using a re-engineered hinge on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to minimize the gap when folded. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 leaked renders indicate that the device will be available in at least 4 colors: blue, green, platinum, and yellow. According to a report, with the new hinge system, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is speculated to get an official dust resistance rating, which will make it the first foldable smartphone with both water and dust resistance certification. However, a report from Snoopy Tech debunks this theory, stating the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will continue to offer just an IPX8 water resistance rating with no dust resistance updates. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is all but confirmed to have a bigger cover display. It's rumored to sport a 3.4-inch panel, making it a significant upgrade over its predecessor's 1.9-inch cover screen. Samsung is working with Google to optimize some of its apps for the cover display, such as Google Maps, YouTube, and Messages. Thanks to the optimizations, you can get navigation directions, view videos, and message your friends from the phone's cover screen, which makes it a usable display and an upgrade over the predecessor. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is expected to power both the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, according to all the speculations. The Flip 5 will perform better with the latest chip because it's likely to be the same specialized model known as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, that's also powering the Galaxy S23 series phones. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset-equipped smartphones are renowned for their dependable battery life. As a result of being more energy efficient, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is likely to result in a major improvement in battery life, a better camera ISP, and a smooth experience. When it comes to the alleged camera improvements for the Galaxy Z Flip 5, there is a lot of ambiguity and confusion. The only thing we are certain of is that the 12 megapixels won't change. Samsung has essentially 2 options here: either a speedier sensor that would enable additional features and software, or a bigger sensor with larger pixels to help with light absorption. More recent speculations suggest that the camera capabilities of the Z Flip 5 will be hugely improved with the help of software, with some sources even asserting that it would match the level of the Galaxy S23. However, there is a good chance the front-facing camera will continue to be the same 10MP, one that we are familiar with from the prior generations.